Who can guess what I'm making? If you can't guess, watch till the end. You will know what I'm preparing. Okay guys, let me save you the stress of guessing. I'm making egusi soup today with uziza leaf. Have you tried making egusi soup with uziza leaf? The taste is wow. Sweetie, the taste is out of this world. I have tried making egusi soup with ugu, bitter leaf, but uziza, in fact, is the best for me. I don't know if you've tried it before. There's no harm in trying. I will say when next you make egusi soup, try using uziza leaf for the vegetable. You will love it. You will love the taste. Please, when next you are making egusi soup, try uziza leaf and tell me what is your result, what you think about it in my next video. Hello guys, my egusi soup is ready. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.